Hey guys, how you doing? Mini Movement Man coming to you with all the latest updates on all things movement. If you want to incorporate more movement into your life, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a roll into a cartwheel. So let's get started. Here we go. Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to my channel, Mini Movement Man. My goal is to try to help people incorporate more movement into their lives. With that being said, this is my cartwheel tutorial. In this, we're going to start with a basic roll and transfer it into a cartwheel. So as you can see from this example here, I started with my basic roll and slowly began to invert my legs up over my head. Now starting off in a standing position, right into the cartwheel. Okay, so where do we start? This is our basic version of a roll from the martial art capoeira. You'll notice in this example that if I roll to the right, I'll initiate the pattern by placing my right hand first, followed by the left. Then I begin to rise my hips, kicking out my left leg, followed by my right leg. In this pattern, you should be doing a complete 360-degree turn, and you should begin and end in a resting squat position. Check out the rest of these examples. You'll see here that as you begin to lean forward with your body, there becomes a point that you'll need to step out with one leg in order to catch yourself from falling to the ground. Do this a few times and start to get used to the sensation. After this, try to stick out your hand as you do the same catching step with your leg. This will get you used to the timing of when to reach for the ground with your hand. This should also make you a lot more comfortable with your entry into the cartwheel. Another extremely important part of a cartwheel is to kick up your lead leg to help give your body more momentum so you can get your hips over your hands. These kicking drills really do help. So do about 20 reps on each leg for 3 sets, and I promise you'll feel the burn. Now it's time to incorporate our cartwheel. That basically means that you're trying to do different entry and exits in and out of the cartwheel rather than just doing it in isolation. Here are some examples. As an adult, I know that it can be really scary to try to relearn any skill, but you can do it. You can train progressively as well as safely as long as you take your time and enjoy being in the learning process, because that is where the true magic happens. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and help support me by liking and leaving a comment. Move well, everyone. there you have it. Make sure you practice this stuff in a comfortable place where you feel that you can be safe and just really have some fun with it. So take these patterns and incorporate them into your daily movement practice. And as always, I'll see you again. Have a good day. Peace out, baby. Yeah.